from the heart of the Hudson Valley in fall. Close your eyes and imagine walking through a quiet forest trail. Beneath your feet, leaves crunch softly, each step releasing the crisp, earthy scent of autumn. In the background, a gentle brook babbles over smooth stones, its water weaving playfully. In the background, a gentle brook babbles over smooth stones, its water weaving playfully through the landscape, inviting your mind to flow and unwind. Listen carefully. A chorus of birds chirp overhead, the melodies punctuating the stillness with nature's gentle music. Let the rustling leaves beneath your feet and the flowing water blend into a peaceful symphony that soothes your nervous system. This is nature's own version of a lullaby, designed to lower your stress, clear mental clutter, and bring your brain into a state of relaxed focus. As you breathe deeply, feel the cool, crisp air fill your lungs, refreshing every cell. Imagine that with every breath, tension melts away and calmness spreads from your head down to your toes. It's moments like these, walking through a forest carpeted in brittle, crunching leaves, besides a flowing brook under watchful serenades of birds, that reminds us to slow down, reconnect, and recharge. Whenever you need to escape from the hustle, you can return here to this soundscape of fall. Comforting, grounding, and timeless. Thank you for joining this brief journey into the Hudson Valley's autumn embrace. Take one last deep breath and let in all the vibes.
Become a Vibes AI Plus subscriber on Apple Podcasts. Get ad-free, early access to our 30 and 60-minute sessions designed to boost your cognitive health. Try it out today with our 3-day free trial. Not on Apple Podcasts? No worries. Hit the link in our show notes and get in on the vibes.